Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be discussing how to disable the webcam on your laptop running Windows 10. Disabling the webcam can be beneficial for privacy and security reasons. So, let's get started. Step 1. Right-click on the Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Step 2. From the context menu that appears, click on Device Manager. This will open the Device Manager window. Step 3. In the Device Manager window, locate and click on Cameras to expand the category. Step 4. Now, you will see the list of cameras connected to your laptop. Right-click on the camera you want to disable. Step 5. From the options that appear, click on Disable Device. A confirmation prompt may appear, asking if you want to disable the device. Step 6. Click Yes to confirm and disable the webcam. And there you have it. You have successfully disabled the webcam on your laptop running Windows 10. This can provide you with peace of mind knowing that your webcam is no longer accessible. Remember, if you ever need to enable your webcam again, simply follow the same steps and click on Enable Device instead. That wraps up this tutorial on how to disable the webcam in Windows 10. We hope you found this information helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tech tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.